Wow!
Oh, welcome back. Look at that, friends. Lot of car. Wow, all car is different. Wow, color also different. Look at that, friends. Just wow. Oh. Okay, let's see one by one. Wow. First one is dump truck.
Dump truck.
Are you ready? Okay. Nice.
Okay. Let's see next one. Next one is fire engine recycle car. Wow, it's red color. Okay. Wow. Police ambulance. Wow. Train engine. Wow. Water car. Wow. Helicopter. Oh. Wow. Plane. Okay, let's see next one. Oh, this is tanker. Wow, fire service car. Oh, McQueen.
We need to loosen those ancient joints. First, the wheels. And forward. And rest. And forward. And rest. Join me. Rest.
Wow, transport car. Just look. Oh, okay, let's see. Next one. Oh, next one is mixer truck. Okay. Wow, school bus. Wow, fire engine car. Look at that red color. Okay, let's see next one. Wow, police car. Wow, luxury bus. water car. Yellow color. Wow, jump truck. Whoa, no. Okay, let's see next one. Wow. Next one is truck excavator. Wow, city bus. Wow, bullet train. Wow, look at that, friends. Wow. Yellow color city bus. Oh no. Wow. This is small container. Wow, big dump truck. Oh no, just look. Whoa. Okay, let's see. Next one. Police car. Okay, last one is school double-decker bus. Oh. Wow. All is finished. Thank you, friend, for watching. Please subscribe.